Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that BlockVault token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, BlockVault is a decentralized crypto platform revolutionizing digital finance through blockchain technology. They empower users with secure, transparent, and autonomous control over their assets, driven by smart contracts and community governance. BlockVault eliminates intermediaries and offers innovative earning opportunity, promoting financial freedom and inclusion for global user base. BlockVault combines advanced blockchain technology with a user-focused ecosystem to create a seamless, trustless financial experiences with smart contracts ensuring fairness and automation, and a tired towards system encouraging growth. BlockVault stands BlockVault stands at the forefront of decentralized innovation, empowering individuals to invest, earn, and interact without relying on centralized systems. BlockVault token total supply is 7.5 million and circulating supply is around 2.48 million BVT token. BVT token is listed on MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.